When it comes to airing up your tires and maintaining tire pressure on your RV, I bought me a Viair air pump. It's pretty expensive, but it certainly is very dependable, and it does provide a very good pressure for airing up these high pressure tires, anywhere from a 90 psi to 100 plus, and it works really quick and really good. I also checked the air pressure utilizing a Tire Minder air gauge, digital air gauge, which is very accurate. I found comparing it to my TPMS readings that I have on the coach. In order to power this Viair, you gotta have a battery supply. It has clips that goes on the battery. In order to power it up, you can either clip them onto your vehicle battery, or else you can do what I did, and that is go to Harbor Freight and buy me one of these jump starter power supply devices, and it works really good, and I don't have to raise the hood or do anything and try to take to plug in the air pump. You can carry the little jump starter wherever you need with you with the pump, and you're not restricted by distance. But the Viair, the Tire Minder tire gauge, and the Jump Start power supply works really well for me for my use in maintaining my tire pressure on my coach and any tires that I might be needing to check the air pressure with. So just wanted to share that with you. Everybody have a great day. If you like this video, like and share it if you'd like, and have a great and a blessed day.